In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and reuse your effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever created a look or effect setup that you know you'll want to use again later, this is a really useful workflow to learn. Saving your effect setup as a reusable preset can help you work faster, stay consistent across projects, and avoid rebuilding the same edits from scratch every time. To get started, open the Effects panel and search for Adjustment Clip. Once you find it, drag the adjustment clip onto a higher track above your main footage in the timeline. This is important because any edits you apply to an adjustment clip will affect all the video clips directly beneath it. That makes it a very efficient way to apply the same effect or style across multiple shots without having to copy and paste settings onto each individual clip. After placing the adjustment clip on the timeline, select it and open the inspector. This is where you'll be able to work with the clip and manage it more easily. At this stage, you'll want to rename the adjustment clip so it's easier to recognize later when you reuse it. Giving it a clear, descriptive name is a smart habit, especially if you plan to build a library of presets over time. For example, you might name it based on the type of effect, the mood, or the purpose it serves in your edit. Next, go to the Media Pool. If power bins are not already visible, look at the top right corner of the Media Pool and click the three-dot icon. From there, choose Show Power Bins. Power bins are especially helpful because they let you store items that can be accessed across different projects, which is exactly what makes this method so practical for reusable effects. Once power bins are enabled, click on the Power Bins folder to open it. Then simply click and drag your adjustment clip from the timeline into the power bin. That's it. Your effect setup is now saved and ready to be reused whenever you need it in future projects. This is a simple but powerful way to speed up your editing process in DaVinci Resolve. Instead of rebuilding the same effect chain again and again, you can keep your favorite setups organized and ready to go. If you create adjustment clips for different styles or editing needs, this can become a huge time saver and make your overall workflow much more efficient.